walking about in Africa, because giraffes are all herd-like. So if it sees a tiger, danger tiger, it would have two emotions, fear and surprise. Fear, because there's a tiger. Surprise, because there are no tigers in Africa. I did this piece of material in some gigs in South Africa, and all the audience who knew that just went... I was saying, and the giraffe sees the tiger... I know, it just doesn't work with lines. So the giraffe sees the tiger, it's there on an away day saver. It's one of those rich tigers where it's a helicopter. So it sees the tiger, and the giraffe turns to the other giraffes to, we've seen this on nature programs, to warn, and there's no, if it was, if it had a jazz chicken strapped to its name. And the chicken goes... And the giraffes go, fly the bumblebee, there's bumblebees coming. Or they could do that military thing, the retreat in fours, from... This piece of material used to work really good in 1815. It has nothing. Apparently they cough. Giraffes cough. If you look at Wikipedia, they can cough. So giraffes obviously use the ancient British method of coughing that we use for expressing danger, distress, and the end of empire. So giraffe sees the tiger and... Another giraffe. Tiger at 4 o'clock. That's what happens. If you watch very closely on the nature programs, you will see it's essentially a coughing gig that happens there.